Hi guys, this is Dan Scheidegger with Kriete Truck Center Madison, showing you one of our all-new VNL860s. This here is in our flame red pearl color. It has Volvo's iTorque powertrain package, which includes the Volvo D13 turbo compounding engine, 455 horsepower, 1850 torque, the Volvo iShift 13-speed transmission, along with map-based technology and a 215 rear axle ratio. This truck is equipped with Volvo's newest proprietary full collision mitigation system and Volvo dynamic steering with personal settings. This truck has our Edge interior and exterior packages, a 224-inch wheelbase, and a 16-inch air slide fifth wheel. It's got the position perfect steering wheel, very comfortable heated driver and passenger seats. You've got your lower bunk here and your upper bunk here. Truck is equipped with microwave prep kit, TV prep kit, and a refrigerator. Truck also has a factory installed bunk heater, inverter, and Volvo's battery powered parking cooler with auto start stop technology. Plenty of space back here in the bunk, HVAC controls, plenty of storage. If you're interested, my name is Dan Scheidegger, work with Kriete Truck Center Madison. My number is 262-888-0653. Otherwise, feel free to check us out on our website at krietetrucks.com.